Today in math, let's discuss place value and represent or show 3-digit numbers using base 10 blocks and expanded form. But first, I have a question for you. Joe thinks that the 5 in the number 52 is worth the same as the 5 in the number 25. Do you agree with Joe? What do you think? Joe thinks that the 5 in the number 52 is worth the same as the 5 in the number 25. Do you agree with Joe? You can see right here, I have the 2 different numbers showing, 25 and 52. Each of these numbers has 2 digits. These are 2-digit numbers. 25 and 52 are 2-digit numbers. The number 2 is a digit and the number 5 is a digit. Number 5 is a digit and the number 2 is a digit. So let's talk about the values of the digits in front of us. We have the 5 in the 52 and the 5 in the 25. The 5 in the 25 right here is worth 5, or 5 ones. Because this 5 right here is in the ones place. The 5 in 52 right here is worth 50, or 5 tens, because it is in the tens place. Let's look at it this way too. For the number 25, let's look at the values of the 5 and how they are different. I'm going to write each number as the sum of the values of its digits. 25 equals 20 plus 5. And 52 equals 50 plus 2. We have the 50 and 5. The 5s in each number, their value is completely different. This 5 in 52 is worth 50, and we can see it written out right here. And the 5 in 25 is worth 5. We can see it written out right here when we write out the number 25 and see each place value, 20 plus 5. Let's keep going and use base 10 blocks to show numbers and the values of the digits. Right here I have a cube, a long, and a flat. These are called base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks. Let's start with the base 10 cube, this guy right here. It represents 1. This one right here is a long, and it represents 10. because it is made up of 10 cubes. We can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one long is worth 10 because it is made up of 10 cubes. And we have our flat. A flat represents 100. It is made up of 100 cubes, or 10 longs. We will be doing lots of drawing of base 10 blocks in second grade, but we will be doing something called base 10 shorthand, and it looks like this, where our flat will be a big square. We'll just draw a long stick like that, long line for the long, and a teeny tiny little square or teeny tiny little circle for the cube. And that's how we will draw base 10 blocks. It's called base 10 shorthand. It's how we will draw them. Here I have a place value mat with a collection of blocks, and the collection of blocks represents a number. How many hundreds are in this number? There are 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds. What is the value of the 3? 300. How many tens are in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. What is the value of the 5? 50. And how many ones are in this number? 1, 2. What is the value of the 2? 2. Let's read the number on the mat. 352. Remember the number sentences that we wrote for the numbers in the math message? Like these, 25 equals 20 plus 5, and 52 equals 50 plus 2. How could we write a number sentence for this number, 352? Here's our number, 352. 352 equals, let's look, 3 in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3. The 3 equals 300 plus 5 in the tens place. 5 in the tens place. What does that mean? The value of the 5 in the tens place? 50. And a 2 in the ones place? The value of the 2 in the ones place is 2. 352 equals 300 plus 50 plus 2. A representation like this, where we show the value of each digit, is called the expanded form of a number. Here I have displayed 3 flats and 4 cubes. Let's show the number with expanded form. But first, let's find the value of each number. 300s. 1, 2, 3. 300s. All right, a 3. What is the value of the 3? 300. Are there any tens? No. There are no tens. What about ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. What is the value of the 4? It's 4. So how do we write this number? $300 plus 0 plus 4. 300 plus 0 plus 4 is the number written in expanded form. It shows that there are no tens. Here are the hundreds, no tens, and ones. Right here we have 200 plus 40 plus 8. Let's show this number using base 10 blocks. 200, so we need to draw 2 flats to show 200. 1, 2. 2 flats equals 200. Plus 40, that's 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes. What number did we make? 248. What digit is in the hundreds place? 2. 200. Here I have the number 508. Let's show it with base 10 blocks and an expanded form. Base 10 blocks. We have 508. Here's the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place. We have 5 in the hundreds place. We need to draw 5 hundreds. 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a 0 in the tens place. We will draw no longs and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 5 flats and 8 cubes. And 0 in the tens place. Let's write it in expanded form. 5 in the hundreds place is a value. What's the value of the 5 in the hundreds place? 500. And the value of 0 in the tens place? 0. And the value of 8 in the ones place? 8. 500 plus 0 plus 8 equals 508.